Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you, or attempt to show you, how to make, I'm going to make this black and kind of make it pop out, to make your own pattern that you could use again and again. And it's really easy. It seems a little difficult, but it's not. So we're going to make a pattern. And I've used stars. Well, let's just use a bunch of circles and just place them around. And let's make some squares. Some rectangles. I don't know that you have to really stay within a perimeter. Well, let's say that's good. Now let's take some of these and make them different colors. Make that one dark blue, make that one light blue, make that one green or red, green, yellow, purple, that color, whatever that is, turquoise almost, dark, another blue. Let's just do another blue, another red, another light purple. Let's do one black. And all I'm doing is clicking on the item and making my own pattern. Okay, I would maybe suggest taking away the outline by right-clicking. Now, I would group them together, Control G, and then go right here to Object and create Pattern Fill. I want to create a vector. As soon as I hit OK, I'm going to get the crop tool. I think you have to crop this out. And I'm going to get it pretty close and move it around. And then as soon as I say accept, it's going to ask me to name it. Circles and squares. So they say, okay. Then you can make any shape you want. Go to the interactive fill tool, go up to the vector patterns, and there you have it. And it could be any shape. We could make it a little more difficult. And let's weld this together and make this pattern. And it is saved, so you could go right here and do the other one I created a while ago, or the other one I created a while ago, or use one of the fields that Corel furnishes you. But you could make your own pattern and store it and use it over and over and over. Anyway, hope that inspired you a little bit. Thank you for watching.